Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys a treat. I am going to be giving you a house tour. I'm going to be showing you my foyer today, and it is my first tour in my Home for the Holiday series. I'm also going to be doing a DIY. As you can see here, my house tour, well, my theme for the Christmas season is traditional at its finest. Everything is traditional glam, traditional with a modern farmhouse twist, and just lots of bright colors, vibrant colors, and just richness. And I am so in love with the way that everything is turning out this year. So for this DIY, it's going to be a glam wall art, and as you can see here, I just have a canvas, and I'm literally putting some Elmer's glue on there and kind of shaping it, in the design that I want it to be. And then I'm just going over it with some silver and some gold fine glitter. And I'm actually going to be doing 2 panels today, and I just wanted to show you like the different designs, the different styles of how it turned out. Now, once I am done with this DIY, I am going to be showing you in the tour what I have done with it. Right here, I'm kind of just, messing it up a little bit because I do want it to have some texture, and it just looks so beautiful, you guys, and it completely transformed my foyer. So make sure you guys watch the video to the end. Stay tuned to the house tour because it's going to be fabulous. Though it's not a full house tour, it's just a tour of my foyer, but make sure you stay tuned. Now, if you are new here to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decors, and DIYs here on this channel. And also, I have a second channel, which is my Cleaning Queen channel. I do a lot of cleaning motivation, decluttering, organization as well on there. I upload on my cleaning channel every Saturdays at 10 a.m. and on my home decor channel every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 a.m. So I would love for you to consider subscribing. Don't forget to double tap that bell and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you are excited for Christmas. I want to thank all my oldies but goodies subscribers for joining me today, and I am not going to speak anymore. I just want you guys to enjoy the tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hello and welcome to the very first episode of my Christmas in July DIY and Decor Challenge. So today starts and kickstarts the first day of Christmas in July, and I am super excited about it. I cannot wait to see all of you guys' projects and home decor. I am so excited about it. Now, we are going to continue this challenge every Fridays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I want to let you guys know that you can do home decor, you can do DIYs, whatever you want to do in this challenge, you can go for it. It's not limited to just DIYs. You can decorate your home, a space, an area. You could do a vignette, a fireplace mantle, a shelf, a countertop, an island, whatever it is. You could do a tablescape. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can go ahead and do that for this month, for the decorating, DIY and decor challenge for the month of July. Like I said, it's going to be held every Fridays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The playlist will be linked down below, and I would love for you guys to go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to everyone that is in this playlist. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me today and for participating, and I am ecstatic. I cannot wait to see what everyone does. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for participating.
From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating a tree. outside, the snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow